let's say y is equal to sine 3x. So 3x is your inner function, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, outer function is sine, so differentiation of sine box will be, yes, dy by dx will be sine no differentiation the say cos box into d by dx of box. Now what we have within the box? 3x. So in next step cos 3x will be as it is. We just have to focus on differentiation of 3x, that is 3. Okay, તો તમને એવું લાગે કે આ તો ખુદું જેવું છે. તો જ્યારે x નો પાવર 1 હોય તો મોસ્ટલી યાદ રાખવાનું કે ભાઈ કોએફિશિયન્ટ ઓફ x should be multiplied, that's it. Integration માં coefficient of x should be divided. Yeah? Okay. Now let's go for another example. Let's say y is equal to tan 6x. So dy by dx will be 6x is your inner function. We just have to differentiate tan box, which will be 6 square box into coefficient of x should be multiply, or we can say 6. Okay, so 6 6 are 36x થઈ જાય ના થાય, ધ્યાન રાખજો. Okay, now let's go for another example. Let's say we have y is equal to cos root x. Okay, to x no power 1 nahi. So here we will consider box around inner function, which is root x, and forget about it. Now differentiate. So differentiation of cos box minus sine box into differentiation of box. Okay. Now what we have within the box? Root x. So minus sine root x will be as it is. Differentiation of root x is root x ના કટ થાય. ધ્યાન રાખજો, આ વસ્તુ થાય છે, બહુ ટેમ્પટિંગ છે, તમે લોકો આ મિસ્ટેક કરશો. ધ્યાન રાખજો પ્લીઝ. Here we get minus sine root x upon 2 root x. અમુક લોકો તો એવું બી કે sin theta by theta 1. લા એ લિમિટમાં theta tends to 0 હોય તો જ, બધે નહીં. ના આવી બધી મિસ્ટેક્સ ના કરતા. બીજી નોર્મલ મિસ્ટેક એ છે કે લોકો ભૂલી જાય છે કે this is dy by dx. Y and dy by dx are different functions. As you can see, y is actually cos root x and dy by dx is totally different function. અમુક વાર સેમ લાગે, like e raised to x જ રહે. But a special case છે કે where f dash x is equal to fx. દરેક જગ્યાએ આ possible નહીં. Differentiation થયા પછી function શું થઈ જાય? Change થઈ જાય. Okay? Equation હોય એનું differentiation કરો તો તમને નવું equation મળે. No doubt obtain પેલાથી થયું છે, but it is absolutely different equation. Done? Okay. So next story પર જઈએ. Yes. Y is equal to root sec x. Which one is inner? Which one is outer function? Root outer. Okay. મોક્ષા બોલતો બોક્સ કોના પર લઈશું? sec x પર બોક્સ લઈશું, રાઈટ? તો આપણે એના ભૂલી જઈએ. So differentiation of simply root box, right? Root box for differentiation to root box. Okay? Into d by dx of box. Okay? Now open the box. What we have within the box? Sec x. Okay? So 1 upon 2 root sec x is as it is. Differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Sec x उड़ी जाए. કે root sec x ઉડી જાય. So this will become root sec x into tan x by 2. Okay? આવું થાય આ સહને ભાઈ. Okay. Now let's go for next one. Y is equal to sec log x. Follow. Which one is inner and which one is outer function? Okay. जय बोलो કોના પર બોક્સ બનાવીશું? log x પર બોક્સ બનાવીશું. શાબાશ. So forget about log x and get differentiation of that box. Galat again. sec જ એક એવું ફંક્શન છે કે જેની અંદર છે ને બોક્સની તાકાત બહુ વધી જાય છે. કોસેક બી એનો જ ભરી છે. ઓકે, એટલે આ બહુ અનયુઝ્યુઅલ છે જે આપણને એવું લાગે કે આવું પણ છે. આપણે ઘેર નહીં લઈ જવાનું. ધ્યાન રાખજો જ્યારે બી સેક નું ડિફરન્શિએશન કોસેક નું બી કરો ત્યારે કે બોક્સની તાકાત શું થઈ જાય? વધી જાય. અને પોસિબલી બહુ બધા ખોટા આન્સર્સ આપે પણ એ બધા યાદ રાખજો. sec x tan box નહીં, sec box tan box. અમુક લોકો તો sec tan box કરી નાખે છે. એ રહી ગયું એટલે મેં કહી દીધું. ચલો, so here we get sec box tan box into differentiation of box. Okay. Okay, now what we have within the box? Log x. So here we get the log x. So in next step, sec log x and tan log x will be as it is. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. This is your final answer. Ta-da! Here? Any problem? Chalo. Next पर जाइए. Any? Y is equal to 3 minus 4x whole raised to 5. dy by dx is equal to આનું રાઈટ સાઈડ નું ડિફરન્શિએશન કરવાનું. બોક્સ કોના પર બનાવીશું? 3 minus 4x. Okay, so we don't have to worry about inner function. Box raised to 5. Bas. So here we'll get 5 box raised to n minus 1, or we can say 4 into d by dx of box. Okay, so what we have within the box? We have 3 minus 4x. So 5 3 minus 4x raised to 4 will be as it is, and શું બોલશે આપણને? હા, ધ્યાન રાખજો. 3 નું ડિફરન્શિએશન 0 minus 4. So final answer is minus 20. 3 minus 4x raised to 4. Okay? અમુક લોકો કે સર x નો પાવર ગણો તમે કોએફિશિયન્ટ વાળી મેથડથી બી કરી શકતા હતા. યસ, box raised to 5, so 5 box raised to 4. Multiply simply coefficient of x, which is minus. No problem, answer same જ આવે. પણ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કોએફિશિયન્ટ વાળી મેથડમાં કે સાઇન નેગેટિવ હોય તો નેગેટિવ પર જવાનું. ડન? ઓકે. Ninth root of sine 2x. Let's simplify first. Plus, this is actually sine 2x raised to 1 by 9. હવે થોડું સહનેબલ લાગ્યું? ओके बोलो बेटा कोना पर बॉक्स बनाईशु यस sin 2x is your inner function so consider box around it and ignore it so box raised to 1 by 9 so your differentiation will be 1 by 9 box raised to 1 by 9 minus 1 which is minus 10 by 9 into d by dx of box. Okay, now what we have within the box? Sin 2x. अरे हाँ sorry minus 8 by 9 now. Okay, so 1 by 9 sin 2x raised to minus 8 by 9 will be as it is. Differentiation of sin 2x? 2x box. हाँ, but here see 2x मतलब कोफिशिएंट वालों पकड़ी लीजिए cos 2x into 2 okay so this is your answer ta-da હવે આવું કે નહીં okay but let's say in this way બોલ બેટા પ્રયાગ outermost function કયો છે root તો બાકીનું બધું box શાબાશ so here we'll get differentiation of root box okay so dy by dx will be 1 upon 2 root box okay into d by dx of box then now what we have within the box sin x square okay so now this 1 upon 2 root sin x square will be as it is we'll focus on differentiation of sin x square again ફરીથી તમારે ચેઇન રૂલ લગાવવો પડશે right so this time we'll consider box around x square so differentiation of sin box will be cos box into d by dx of box now what we have within the box we have x square so ક્યાં ફરીથી બધું લખવું simply multiply કર દો ને differentiation of x square which is 3x is your answer ta-da simple हाँ चलो for further simplification we'll get x cos x square upon root sin x હવે x square કરતા કરા ના થાય ખબર જ નથી બનતું લે મોડેલ્સ ચલો નેક્સ્ટ પર જઈએ બોલ બેટા શું કરીશું હા outermost function is root so we'll consider x sin x as your inner function so again dy by dx will be differentiation of only root box and that is 1 upon 2 root box into differentiation of box. Chalo, what we have within the box? X sin x. So this time 1 upon 2 root sin x will be as it is. We have to differentiate x sin x. બોલો હવે x નો sin x નો તો શું આવશે અહીંયા એવું ખબર પડવી જોઈએ એક્ઝામમાં ઓકે આ મિસ ધ્યાન રાખજો Here we have to apply multiplication rule. X as it is differentiation of sin x plus sin x as it is differentiation of x will be 1. So this will be your answer. Ta-da! फटाफट लखी नाखो છો. Now second level questions. Let's say y is equal to 1 plus log x upon 1 minus log x whole raised to 6. Okay? So which one is inner and which one is outer function? Raised to 6 is the outer function. So we have to consider 1 plus log x and 1 minus log x within the box. So ignore it. चलो पकड़े बोल बेटा dy by dx will be 6 box raised to 6 minus 1, or we can say 5 into d by dx of again box, right? Okay, now what we have within the box? Yes, 1 plus log x upon 1 minus log. So in next step, this 6 box raised to 5 will be as it is. You have to focus on differentiation of box. શું લગાવીશું? ડિવિઝન રૂલ લગાવવાનો. આવું યાદ આવવું જોઈએ એ વખતે. So we can say in first step numerator will be as it is. We'll focus on differentiation of numerator. So બોલો differentiation 1 no 0, log x no 1 by x, minus numerator will be as it is, differentiation of denominator, which is 1 minus log x. So that will be 0 minus 1 by x whole divided by whole square of denominator 1 minus log x. Okay, done. So again let's simplify. 6 box raised to 5 is as it is, and we can take 1 by x common. So in numerator we'll get minus 2. You can further simplify. Ta-da! चलो next पर जी है y is equal to cosec cube 1 upon x square. Okay, बोलो which one is outer and which one is inner function? Cosec 1 upon x square is your inner function. Basically આના આ રીતે લખાય. ત્રિકોણમાં છે ને આ કન્ફ્યુઝન થાય જ છે. This is whole raised to 3. Okay, so we can say cosec 1 upon x square is your inner function. So ignore it and get differentiation of box raised to 3. That will be 3 box raised to 2 into differentiation of box. Now what we have within the box? Cosec 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square and x raised to minus 2 लगा, कोई तकलीफ नहीं है, right? So now this 3 cosec square 1 by x square will be as it is, differentiation of cosec 1 cosec x square x raised to minus 2. બોલો એ તમે શું કરીશું અહીંયા? X raised to minus 2 is your inner function. Okay, so differentiation of cosec box will be, yes, minus cosec box cot box into differentiation of box. Okay, Within the box we have x raised to minus 2. So minus 3 cos x square હતું અહીંયા cos x છે તો this will become cos x cube 1 upon x square cot 1 upon x square and differentiation of x raised to minus 2 will be minus 2 upon x cube. So this is your final answer. Ta-da! Next. Y is equal to sine 1 plus x raised to 7 upon 1 minus x raised to. બોલો કોને પકડીએ દેખાત તો વારો આવી ગયો ને બોલશો what is your outer function sine so rest of the functions will be inner one so we don't have to worry about it right so differentiation of sine box will be yes cos box into d by dx of moto box okay chalo ignore the box sorry what we have within the box 1 plus x raised to 7 1 minus x raised to 7 chalo so next step is cos 1 plus x raised to 7 1 minus x raised to 7 will be as it is differentiation of this so you have to apply division to bas so in first step denominator will be as it is you have to focus on differentiation of numerator that will be 7x raised to 6 minus 1 plus x raised to 7 as it is differentiation of 1 minus x raised to that will be minus 7x raised to 6 whole divided by denominator square okay હવે ચલો સિમ્પ્લિફાય કરીએ cos 1 plus x raised to 7 1 minus x raised to 7 so from here we can take 7x raised to 6 common so we'll get 1 minus x raised to 7 આ વાળું minus minus become plus so plus 1 plus x raised to 7 whole divided by 1 minus x raised to 7 the whole square. So kaya terms cut થઈ જશે minus x raised to 7 plus x raised to 7 common 1 plus 1 will become 2. Ta-da! Okay? આવશે થોડો મજબૂત ક્વેશ્ચન કરીએ Okay. Here we have y is equal to sin x plus x square upon cot 2x. Division rule. Sabas. So dy by dx will be in first step denominator is as it is. We'll focus on differentiation of numerator that will be cos x plus 2x minus numerator will be as it is and differentiation of denominator which is minus cos x square 2x. Done? गलत into coefficient of x Okay, whole divided by denominator 1. તાડા! હવે આવું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું, બધું કમ્બાઈન થશે ત્યારે અઘરું પડશે. ચલો નેક્સ્ટ જોઈએ. y is equal to e raised to x into log sin 2x. चलो बोलो कैसे करेंगे. डिफरेंशिएशन कैसे करेंगे. See, first of all, e raised to x is within the multiplication of log sin 2x. Okay, तो पहला क्या रूल लगाना पड़ता है. Multiplication rule. Yes. So in first term, let's say e raised to x is as it is. We will focus on differentiation of second term, which is log sin 2x. And in second term, let's say log sin 2x is as it is. And we'll focus on differentiation of e raised to x. बोलो बेटा. E raised to x, differentiation of log sin 2x. So that, yes, we have to consider box around the sin 2x. So differentiation of log box will be 1 upon box into differentiation of box. What we have within the box? Sin 2x. Okay. So differentiation of sin 2x will be cos 2x into coefficient of x 2 plus log sin 2x will be as it is, and differentiation of e raised to x will be e raised to x. Okay, so tada, this is your answer. Huh? e raised to x common નીકળે ને બધું તો તમે કરી શકો. ફટાફટ લખી નાખો. ચલો see, y is equal to x e raised to root sin x. बोला रे. Yes, x is within the multiplication of e raised to sin x. Okay, e raised to root sin x. So let's apply multiplication rule. Let's say x is as it is, we'll focus on differentiation of e raised to root sin x. Then e raised to root sin x will be as it is, differentiation of x. Then बोल भाई आ रहा. First step, first term x, yes, e raised to box. So differentiation of e raised to box will be e raised to box into d by dx of box. Now what we have within the box? Root sin x. Okay, plus in second term e raised to root sin x will be as it is, differentiation of x will be 1. Done. Okay, now from both terms we can take e raised to root sin x common. First term x as it is, differentiation of root sin x. Yes, basically આ વખતે sin x ના બોક્સમાં નાખવો પડશે, right? So root box to differentiation will be 1/2 root box into differentiation of box. Now what we have within the box? We have sin x. So let's multiply differentiation of sin x, which is cos x. Plus second term માં તો ખાલી 1 જ બચે. Okay, so ta-da! We can consider this as a final answer. Here, next. બોલો શું કરીશું? Y is equal to log x sin x. Log box. ખોટું નહીં બોલીશ, પણ એક નાનકડી વસ્તુ કહું. તમે છે ને log ની પ્રોપર્ટી થી યુઝ કરી શકો. See, log x plus log a into b છે. Log a plus log b. Log a plus log b. આ વાળી પ્રોપર્ટી યુઝ કરો. Then you can simplify your y as log x plus log sin x. Yes, log x plus log sin x. So it's easy to give differentiation. Differentiation of log x, 1 upon x. And in second term, we have to consider box around the sin x. So differentiation of log box will be 1 upon box into differentiation of box. Now, what we have within the box? Sin x. So simply multiply differentiation of sin x, which is cos x. So 1 upon x plus cot x is your final answer. Ta-da! Yeah? હવે ઓકે, મજબૂતમાં મજબૂત ક્વેશ્ચન. E raised to under root of 1 minus x square into sin x e raised to x. चलो योग ना पकड़िए. पहला मल्टीप्लिकेशन रूल, राइट? आखो टर्म आ टर्म ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन मारे. So let's apply multiplication rule. In first term, e raised to root 1 minus x square as it is. We'll focus on differentiation of sin x e raised to x plus sin x e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of second term, which is e raised to root 1 minus x square. बोलो चलो. E raised to root 1 minus e raised to 1 root 1 minus x square as it is. Differentiation of x box. Yes. Here x e raised to x is within the box. So differentiation of sin box will be cos box d by dx of box. Now what we have within the box? Within the box we have x e raised to x. Okay, plus sin x root x e raised to x as it is. Differentiation of e raised to root x. So આપણે yes, root 1 minus x square within the box. So e raised to box no differentiation, e raised to box into d by dx of box. Now what we have within the box? Root 1 minus. Okay, chalo. In further simplification, e raised to root 1 minus x square common निकली जाता है, right? So in first term we have cos x e raised to x as it is. Now focus on differentiation of x e raised to x. Multiplication do bas. X as it is, differentiation of e raised to x. Now e raised to x exists, that's no 1, right? Plus sin x e raised to x as it is, our term तो common ले ली तो focus on differentiation of root 1 minus x square. Root box will be 2 root box into differentiation of box. Multiply differentiation of 1 minus x square, that is minus x. Okay, so here 2 will cancel out, minus આગળ આવી જશે, so we can further simplify. Ta-da! હવે આવું મજબૂત હતો. ચલો લાસ્ટ વાળો. બોલ ભાઈ. This is one term and this one is second term. So we will apply multiplication rule first. So we can say sin x raised to 4 will be as it is. We'll focus on differentiation of tan 2x raised to 6 plus tan 2x raised to 6 will be as it is. We will focus on differentiation of sin x raised to 4. शाबाश. चलो बोलो अब. Simplify. Sin x raised to 4 as it is. Yes, this time box on tan 2x. So this will be 6 box raised to 6 minus 1, or you can say 1. Okay. Within the box we have tan 2x. So multiply its differentiation. Tan box no differentiation. X square box into coefficient of x, which is 2, plus tan 2x raised to 6 will be as it is. Yes, this time box is around sin x. So we will get 4 into box raised to 4 minus 1, that is 3. Now within the box we have sin x. So multiply its differentiation, which is cos x. Ta-da! This is your answer. चला चलो फटाफट लिखी नाखो.